morning children. Now we will learn how to use has or have in a sentence. Okay. Has, H-A-S, has. Have, H-A-V-E, have. Okay. Now see, has is used for the singular. Okay. Has is used for the singular and have is used for the plural. Has means here singular and have is here plural. Singular means what? One. Okay. Plural means two or many. Isn't it? Now see, has. When you see in a sentence he or she or it at the time, we should use has. Okay. Here he, she, it are singular. Understood children? Here he, she, it are singular. And when you see in a sentence we, they, I, you, then we should use have. Okay? Then we should use have. Here we means two. Okay? They means two or many. Whereas here I and you are, even though they are singular, we have to use only have children. Exceptions they are. Okay, I and you are exceptions. So we should use for I and you also in a sentence. If you see I and you, then we should use only have. Okay. Has is for singular. He, she, it. Okay. In a sentence, if you see he, she, it, then we should use has. In a sentence, if we see we, they, I, you, then we should use have. Understood children? And why we are using only the he, she, it for the has. Okay, and we, they, I, you for the have. If I say also, you will not understand properly children. You will understand when you go to the higher classes. And okay, just only simply keep in your mind or remember this, that we should use has for the he, she, it, and have is used for the we, they, I and you. Okay, in a sentence, this is for singular and this is for the plural children. Okay, now see the examples here. She has a pen. Here in this sentence, what we are saying? She. Okay, she is singular. Okay, she is singular. If you see she in a sentence, what will come here? Has. Okay, has, then we should use. She has a pen. Understood? Now see, he is also singular. Okay, now he has a ball. He has a ball. Here she, he. Then what we should use? Has. She, he, it are singular. So we should use what children? Has in a sentence. If we see they, okay, see here. They have the robo car. They, it's a plural. Okay, many. So at that time what we should use? Have. Okay. If you see in a sentence they, what we should use children? Have. It's a plural. They is a plural. So we should use have. In here we. We means it's a plural. So what will come here? Has or have? Have. We have a big house. We have a big house. We is a plural form. So we are using here what? Have. Understood? Not has. And see here the next one. I have a pen. Here I is also a plural. Even though I is a single, it's an exceptional case. I and you, for the I and you, we should use only have children. Okay, has will not come, only we should use have. I have a pen. And see this one. You have a box. Understood? You have a box. Simply just remember this, children. Has will come when, for what? He, she, it. Okay, if you see in a sentence he, she, it, at the time we will use has. Okay, and if you see in a sentence we, they, I, you, then at the time what we should use? Have. Okay, at the time we should use have. Here has is singular and have means plural. Understood, children? If you see in a sentence he, she, it, at the time we should use has. If you see in a sentence we, they, I, you, at the time we should use have. Just to simply keep this, children. Okay, keep this in your mind. Other rest, if I say more also about this, you will not understand at this age. Okay, just simply remember that we use he, she, it. Understood? For the he, she, it we use has, and for the we, they, I, you we use have. Okay, children? Practice this. Okay? Now see your textbook, children. This is your World of Letters book, children. Okay, and the page number is 67. 67. Okay. Read and match the sentences to the given pictures. See here, this side, left side, sentences were given, and the right side, pictures were given here, children. You should match the sentence to the picture. I am a girl. I have a cap. I am a girl. Here, have. Okay, here, what you can see in the sentence? Have. Have is a plural form. I will come. Okay, so where is it here? I am a girl. I have a cap. So match it. Okay, from here to here. Next, we have a net. We is a plural form. If it is we, then we should use have. We have two. Okay, we have a net. Next, they have a dog. They have a dog. They, it's a plural form. Where is it? Here. Okay, so match it from here to here. They have a dog. Next, she is a girl. She has a pen. She is a girl. She has a pen. The boy was saying here, she is a girl and she has a pen. Okay, now match here from here to here. And he is a boy. He has a pot. He is a singular, so has will come. He is a boy. He has a pot. Understood, children? Complete this page. Okay, thank you.